Alright, a friend of mine gave me his Sony Vaio laptop to fix it because it caught a virus or something. And what happened was the virus just completely deleted everything. Documents, start menu, just absolutely everything. So its vaio care stopped working. User INTIT logon application stopped working. Microsoft Mobile PC presentation adaptability client has stopped working. And then we got this PC confidential, your privacy report program. And that's probably the virus right there. You know, people download these programs and they think they're legit, but they're really not. And it's a virus. Either that or the virus puts it on there without you knowing it. And that's what I'm left with. Just nothing. Just a mouse cursor. Hard drive activity light's still going, but it'll stop here in a few minutes. And then we got registry power cleaner. That's probably also a virus, maybe, I don't know. I was once able to get into the actual Windows where I had a start menu and everything, but there was nothing in the start menu. Everything was deleted. So we're probably going to have to do a complete restore on this. Because I can't back up any of their pictures or, you know, anything on there because everything was just deleted completely. I checked their documents folder, there's nothing in it. It's completely deleted. So we're just going to shut this down, restart it. And keep hitting F10. Well, I didn't do it in time. For these Sony Vaios, the restore partition is F10. Now the Dells and everything else might be a little different, you know, Toshiba's or whatever. But most of the laptops built in like 2003 or even desktop computers have a restore partition on them, but you just gotta look up on Google what key that you have to press in order to get to the restore partition. So now you can do the vaio hardware diagnostics if you think you have a hardware problem, maybe if Windows doesn't start properly, or you have a whole bunch of errors, maybe something's wrong with the memory or something. You can always do the hardware diagnostics, and it'll test the hard drive, the memory, and everything. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Restore Drive C to its original factory condition. This process reinstalls all preloaded software, but not software installed after your computer was purchased. But if that doesn't work, you can always do the Restore Complete System, and that will delete every partition on the hard drive and reformat it and then reinstall everything. But it's always best to just restore just the C drive. Because your C drive is too small or may not exist, this program cannot continue. You need to run the program Restore Complete System. Select one of the following. Well, that's kind of weird. Let me Restore Complete System then. Maybe the virus wiped that partition out too. That would suck. Yep. The virus must have wiped the partition too. The restore partition. Well, maybe not. Here it goes. It says 0 seconds remaining, but there's nothing on the hard drive here. I'll wait a few minutes and see what happens. Now it's starting to do something. Well, I'll get back to you and we'll figure out if this is going to do anything or not. I'll leave it for a couple minutes and see what happens. Alright, so it failed. The virus must have wiped out the partition with the restore information on it and everything, so I ran through the vaio hardware diagnostics and no errors were detected. So what I'm going to have to do is reinstall Windows. So shut it down. And I originally had Windows Vista on it, but I'm going to reinstall Windows 7. So, yeah, just make sure you have Windows or some antivirus on it, and you really shouldn't have this problem. And I looked at this laptop when I was able to load up into Windows, and it looked like it didn't even have antivirus on it. So maybe the virus deleted it or something, but I don't know. Just make sure you got Windows or antivirus on your computer. And I prefer ABG Antivirus Free Home Edition. I've had that for years, like over 5 years probably, and I've never had a single virus. So ABG is the way to go. Most of the time, the restore partitions will work to restore your computer, because usually they're on a separate partition on the hard drive. And if the virus didn't spread that far, which normally it don't, but this one must have been one hell of a virus, you should be able to restore your computer. But this one, I mean, this virus just totally screwed everything up. Like, I couldn't even load up into Windows. It wouldn't do nothing. So, and all the start menu items were deleted. The documents folder, everything was deleted in it. It just, all the icons on the desktop were gone. I couldn't even load Internet Explorer. It was so bad. Alright, so I'm going to go through the setup procedure on this, but I'm not gonna, tape it or anything. So, yeah, just make sure you got an antivirus on your computer so this doesn't happen to you. So, yeah.